Hi everyone, it's Robin Moses and I am back with Birefringence by I Heart Nail Polish, or ILNP I believe it's called online. This is the most beautiful, what did I call this? This multi-chrome. Yeah, multi-chrome. It's blue, fuchsia, all these
Purple,
colors
almost
in
green.
one. Yeah, it reflects so many different colors. And when you look at it from different lights, it's just fantastic. So I've been using this and having a great time with it. I put on a little bit of foil glue, and I got this on eBay. A very inexpensive glue that sticks to the nail. When you brush it on, it dries clear. I put it straight across the middle part of the nail haphazardly. I didn't have any rhyme or reason. And then I went in with a little bit of a tie-dyed foil that I got at dollarnailart.com. All of these things do not pay me to say this stuff. It's just products that I like that are very inexpensive and easy to have fun with. So I'm going across the center of the nail with the foil. Now, foil peels off the ends and will rip off the whole thing, and it's very hard to get a good bond with foil. But what I find is that if you keep it right in the middle of the nail and you have a good, thick, nice, rich, juicy top coat like Dazzle Dry or Seshevite or one of those kind that are just real thick and yummy, then you have less problems. Then I'm going to go in with glitter. So glitter sticks to nails extra well. So if I am using something that doesn't stick very well with something that sticks extra well around the edges, then I solve my problem before there is one. So I'll let you pick one color.
Oh gosh, I don't know.
I'm letting you pick.
I wouldn't even know which one to pick.
All right, I picked gold.
I was going to say gold, yeah.
Yay!
Good answer.
So this is from Wildflower Nails, the glitter maker extraordinaire. And I have her brush. Okay, so if I was going to say that I love something, this is something I love. This is very inexpensive too. This is a brush to apply glitter. It is just amazing. It's right the same size as a cuticle, so you just dip it in and go in, and it makes a very little mess. So I'm going in, boop, boop, boop. Okay, touching down. This is a hollow gold. And because I already have the foil glue on there, I'm just going to go around the foil with the gold glitter, and it's going to stick where I put the glue and nowhere else. See? So it's kind of like it's layering. Going in again. And all it is creating a different effect. Now, I did a whole bunch of these types of tutorials when I first started YouTube, and nobody watched them because there was really no such thing as foil and glue back then. And I was kind of like singing by myself this amazingness, and now there's so many different kinds and so many different brands, and everybody asks me brand names and sizes and ratios and all this stuff, and I do it this way. I've always done it this way. It lasts really well considering how inexpensive it is, and it is shiny. So I'm going to finish this out and meet you back. Okay, so I have a little piece of plastic that I just dug out of somewhere, and I'm pulling it. Let me zoom out a little so you can see. And I am pressing over the nail like this and then pulling up. And what that does is it just makes sure that all of the foil is laid flat to the nail, all of the glitters are laid flat to the nail, and then that way nothing is sticking up in a weird way that will pull the nail, and they'll just last longer. Somebody gave me this tip a long time ago, and it works. It works pretty well. Now I'm going to top coat them. I think I'm going to top coat them with a gel top coat this time, and I'll see what happens. But I could top them with Dazzle Dry. If I top coat them with Dazzle Dry, they will lose some of their shimmer, and if I top coat them with a gel, they'll lose less. And right now, I don't mind the extra filing because I know underneath I have a lot of polish, so they'll be easy to take off. If this was 4 coats of gel followed by a gel top coat, then I'd be spending a lot of time filing, and I don't use a drill, so that way I know that it's pretty easy and fast and effective. Okay, now the funniest thing about this whole color and everything about it is that this time Compassionista and I are sitting in the complete dark together. So
I don't even have words.
I don't either. I don't really have words either, except for that. That's what we have to do to get a dang picture of this color. It is just so hard to get a great picture of this color. And there, I think that we have an idea of what this color can bring. I mean, it is just
So pretty.
lovely. And it catches every light, and it just turns into every rainbow if it cut like scene. Let me just keep on rolling this while I talk. Okay, if you try these, please show me at Robin Moses Nail Art on Instagram. If you need brushes, for under $10, you can get them at robinmosesnailart.com. Oh,
That'd
is
be
so
a great hot
pretty.
rod color, wouldn't it? On a
That-
classic
oh,
car.
my gosh, this is just so pretty. And anything that I said about any of these products, can you guys please write them in the comment section, because I forget and you guys don't, and some of you guys know these products so well. So thank you to everyone who helps me name products. Look at that one right there. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Just thank you to everybody. It looks like it's just opened and like all this stuff is coming out. Love it. Anyways, I'm going to have the best pictures I can on my blog and on my Facebook and on my Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching me, for supporting me, and all you do. And I'll see you back with more. Bye.
Bye.
They do look pretty. They do. We did it.